Welcome back, everybody. Did you know in Universal's Islands of Adventure there is a store that has a Halloween theme year-round? I certainly did not know this, and all of my trips there I don't usually go into these souvenir shops, so I seem to have missed this till now, so I wanted to take you along in a walkthrough of the store with me. I apologize, this camera work isn't the best. We were testing out a new camera, and I, like I said, just stumbled upon this store and happened inside and saw the Universal monsters and got excited. Here we have the Bride of Frankenstein. But anyway, so as I was saying, I wasn't really prepared to do a real store walkthrough, and I could have done a better job, so I apologize. We're not really going to take a look at all of the merchandise, give you kind of a highlight of some of this stuff here. Like I said, it looks like it's Universal Monsters. There's a lot of t-shirts and merchandise with them on it. There's Tom, of course. And we have Frankenstein. We are going to see all the classic Universal monsters as we take a look around the store, alongside cool Halloween-themed merchandise. It all kind of works together, but it's not just Halloween. It's the holidays, too. So, of course, we've got this creepy vintage-looking pumpkin with a crow on it, and Dracula there. But look, Frankenstein is all decked out, standing there in front of the Happy Holidays sign. He's got his pine garland to share and make the whole place smell nice. At least it would if it were real. All right, there in the background was a sort of like a gypsy cart, and you're going to see that a little bit later. It's kind of hard to see, so I kind of wanted to point it out as you see it as we walk by. Up around the perimeter of the store, you see the jack-o'-lanterns, some of them, of course, snow-covered. And it is going to start really snowing here in the next room. There you can see it on the back wall. We have the beautiful snowflakes as they, well, the lights, of course, as they play upon the merchandise. And here we get our first hint of a Christmas-themed, Halloween-themed t-shirt. So we've got Here We Come A-Caroling with some sort of like Dracula-ish skeleton kind of guy there. Really loved the t-shirts. And of course the creepy decor that graces the store. I was really tempted to buy a t-shirt here, but they were kind of pricey. So I ended up going on Amazon and finding some cheap ones that had the Halloween Christmas theme combined. You may have seen them in my latest videos, but they weren't quite as cool as what you see in the store. Some of the stuff, like I said, it's expensive. That sort of molded wax figure there was $8. Of course, you get that experience of making it in the machine. But, I mean, this is the kind of store I like to just walk around and look. And who knows what we're going to find. Look, I love this Frankenstein with this sort of winter window there. And then we have the Wolfman here standing by. He is awesome. But over here on the gypsy cart, again, it is being driven by, I guess that's Nosferatu, but he is all decked out in his winter gear. Looking a little dapper as opposed to scary. But those scary elements, of course, are all around the store. You've got this sort of coffin-shaped display right there. And pumpkins and gourds galore. Vintage witches. We have plushes, though, that balance all of that Halloween out with the super cute Universal monster plush. That little Wolfman guy was adorable. Look at that jack-o'-lantern background just sort of popping out there. Very cool. But take a quick look at some of this merchandise. Some keychains and whatnot. The store was particularly crowded. I think that might be a good indication that we need more fun, cool Halloween Christmas merchandise. Here we have the Hunchback of Notre Dame with his Santa cap there, highlighting his very scary face. This could be kind of a scary place for the little kids, but that works fine with me. It helps me enjoy the store just that much better. All right, we've got some eerie doll masks. I think those might just be part of the decor, though. Get that creepy, what is that, like an alien in the background? They did, oh, it's probably a zombie, of course. They've got this sort of zombie in coffee grounds. We got that burial something or other. A lot of food products in here, which I wasn't quite expecting. They do have some Krampus merchandise, of course. Like that t-shirt there. Love that t-shirt there on the right with that sort of demon. Is that like the devil or is that Krampus? I don't know, but I love how he's pulling off that Santa mask. So creepy and festive. That guy in the background is the Invisible Man, so I know it's kind of hard to tell what is going on there, but that is him decorating the Christmas tree. Very festive. Alright, sorry again for the bad camera work. I will work on this on future videos. I actually also did a walkthrough of the Christmas tribute store, which I'll be posting a little bit later if you're actually interested in the sort of Christmas merchandise that you can get from Universal. I did do a much better job actually looking at the merchandise in that store. I was just blown away by the decor in this one, and I kind of wanted to get shots of the atmosphere. Of course, all the leaves draped all around the ceiling, all of the creepy mannequins of the Universal monsters, and just the Christmas theme as it works its way through the Halloween theme. Really loved this store. I was very excited by it. Let's just take another look here quickly in the lobby. But I think that's going to do it for our trip today. I did want to say a special season's greetings to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. We've got a few more Universal videos, some Christmas videos, of course some decorating and so forth to get us through the holiday season. And then pretty soon it's going to be back to Halloween year-round. But let's enjoy this season while we can. And again, I want to say a special thank you to all of you for spending the year with me. Till next time, thanks for watching, take care, and happy haunting.